My name's David Lawson. I'm an accountant and I live in Rob Royston in the north of Glasgow, and I recently sold my property through McEwan Fraser. The things that attracted me to McEwan Fraser to start with was the high level of positive feedback that I read both online and having spoken to other people that had used their services in the past, which gave me a really good positive feeling about the company. And second of all was the quality of the marketing material that I'd seen online, the schedules and the photography, really high standard of market material, and that was something which really attracted me to the company. The other thing was that I was looking to sell my house relatively quickly, but I also didn't want to compromise on the price, and I thought the combination of that really strong marketing proposal would allow me to essentially achieve both those goals and the timescales that I was looking for. When I did engage with McEwan Fraser, the two things that really struck me about them was first of all what I expected, which was a high level of professional marketing and photography. When the photography was done for our house, I was really impressed by it. It really elevated, I thought, the property to a different level, and I'm sure contributed to a much higher level of interest in the property than would have been had that not been the case. And second of all, and a really important thing to me, was the level of communication that I got through McEwan Fraser. So buying and selling a house is not something that you do every day, and I always kind of want to know what's going on with these things. And what I found was that I was able to talk to the valuers, to the photographers, to the marketing team, to the legal team, whenever I wanted. I would get really quick, detailed feedback from them so that I understood what was going on at every single stage in the process. And to me that was really important. It kept me comfortable with what was going on and confident that McEwan Fraser were doing a good job on my behalf. The last thing to mention is about price. A lot of people always say that McEwan Fraser are more expensive than their counterparts. And what I would say to that is, yes, that's a consideration, but I think that the service that they provided more than paid for itself. I think that the level of interest that was generated in the eventual price that I got for the property, I think far and away outweighed the additional cost of engaging with McEwan Fraser. So overall, I would have nothing but positive feedback for the company, and would recommend them to anyone looking to sell their property.
McEwan Fraser Legal, raising new standards in estate agency.